Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to find the relay for your engine starter, let's say the car doesn't crank, we'll explain where that relay is located. Also guys, always check the fuse as well for the engine starter. We have multiple fuses and we have that video on the channel, check it out. In addition, we have a video that explains the top 5 reasons why Kia Optima does not start. All that will be published on our channel. Now, I'll recommend guys, stay until the end because we will explain how to test the relay, okay, and know for sure if the relay is good or bad. So we will cover that as well. These guys should work on Kia Optima, guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima, guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics, guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So specifically guys, 2013 Kia Optima 2.4 GDI engine. Right here on this side, this is where your fuse box is located. One notch here, one there, squish, pull straight up, and check it out now on the back side you have the relays, okay, and fuses printed. But what we did, we actually took a picture and we tried to zoom it a little bit so we can show you with great detail where each one of those things is located. And looking at it guys, okay, if you come that way right here, it says start, guys. That relay is for the engine starter, okay, right here, that relay guys. So always check this relay. Now if you need to buy one, okay, sometimes you can grab it with fingers and pull it out. If you can't, you can use pliers like that. It makes your life really easy guys, but just grab, wiggle with a little bit and it will come out. If you need to buy one, we'll put the link to where you can get one for a good price and quick shipping in the description of the video below, because sometimes it's really hard to find relays guys, so we're going to cover that for you. In addition, if you want to see how to test the relay on Hyundai and Kia, because you can see it says Hyundai Kia, we have a special video that explains that, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. So please guys, check it out for your convenience. You will know for sure if your relay is good or bad. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.